Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello. Today we are making greeting cards using the gel plate magazine transfer printing technique. Hope you enjoy it and let me know down below if you've tried this. So I've decided to make a Christmas card print, and the cards come like this from Michael's, and you can just kind of fold it. So when you're making your card print, the first thing you want to think about is how you want the card to open. So I want my card to open this way. So I'd have to do my print that way with the understanding that my card opens this way. So let's do it. So for this print, there's no rhyme or reason. I'm just grabbing the most random papers that I can find in here in my studio, and we will print them. Okay, let's begin with a light color. So I always use a very light color when I start printing. So this is yellow ochre. You just need a small amount on your plate. You roll that into your plate. And you cover your plate with your color. So I have a small imperfection in my plate, but that's okay. We will work with it. So the first layer is this image here. Put that down on my gel plate. And there, we are left with the impression of an image. And I like to follow that up with a little bit of white paint just to create a nice background for this image. So I'm just loading up my roller, then rolling that on. I keep a sheet of paper handy just to get rid of any excess paint. Okay, so now, remember I said we want to figure out which way our card opens. So I want my card to open this way. So therefore I'm going to put the card down like so. Oops. Get a clean piece of paper, just put that down as well. Take off any of the excess. I've already messed up. Okay, so let's pull that off. And that is what we have. That's our first layer. Now we're going to go in for our second layer, and I'm going to use this rose pink. Okay. I'm going to use the other side. Like I said, for the base layers, there's no rhyme or reason really. We're just building layers and creating something interesting. Okay, pull that off. Grab put that down. Let's do this, say about right here. Ugly. And pull it off. Okay, so we've got 2 layers so far. I'm going to do green. Let's do supports. I don't know how for our final image, and put a little bit of red and a wee bit of black. Mix these guys together to create a nice dark shade. Scalp. And take this, and we're going to line it up like so. And our card is relatively dirty now, but you know, you guys catch the drift. There you go. Christmas card. And this is how we created the card. I think it's pretty stunning.